Okay, elastic band, saving the bitch's life and shit. Okay. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this wig. So keep watching. My name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit. Anytime like I'm feeling real cute, that song is like my anthem. Okay, you guys, I got 3 bundles of 18 inches. I'm going to put where it is on the screen. First of all, this hair took 51 days. You heard me right. 51 days to come. When I mean I was livid, like I almost turned to stone waiting for my weave. It was ridiculous. But I got these bundles, and to be honest, they were really thick, so that was the upside for waiting like more than 2 months. And also I got a transparent closure, and when I mean this closure was A1, like I'm gonna go back to the company to buy another one because it was that good, and it was from AliExpress. So I'm also gonna put where I got the closure from right around here. So right now I've become very lazy. Like I don't like to sew in my tracks onto my wig cap. I just glue them down and keep it pushing. So that's what you're gonna see me here doing, going step by step, just gluing it down to the all until I get to the top. I already sewed down my closure. If you guys want to see a video of how I do that, just let me know and I will do it. So I actually ran out of hair. I guess I put too much at the back, so when I got to the front, I ran out. But it turned out pretty good. I went ahead to dye this hair jet black because I've never had jet black hair. And I did black onyx in high color, and I used a 30 volume developer. And yes, this is how it came out. So this entire process took about 3 days, which is why you probably see me in different shirts and different bottoms, because it took a while to make the wig, to dye the wig, and to style the wig, which is what you will see coming up next. So this is after it's been curled, and you guys, the layers that I put in it gave it so much body. I was so shocked. I loved the way it came out, and the jet black really made it pop against my skin. So I was ultimately in love with this wig, and as much as it took so long to comb the hair, it was definitely worth the wait. I went ahead and I put some makeup on the lace and on my cap. I found out it's better to use a lighter cap because then you get to choose how much darker you want it. I'm over here dancing because I'm feeling it. You get to choose the cap basically color when you go from lighter to darker. So I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Got To Be glue, and I learned this trick from a girl on YouTube, I forgot her name, basically using the paintbrush and your Got To Be glue spray to spray your hairline, and it makes for a cleaner application. But honestly, I just ended up ditching it because it was just taking too long. So this method works just fine for me, and I like the Got To Be glue spray method because sometimes you don't want to have your wig on for an entire week, especially in like the middle of July. So the key to getting your lace to look as realistic as possible is to never cut in a straight line. If you can do zigzags up and down, but never across. So after securing that air tab down, because those lift up really easily, I went back ahead and I put my elastic band back on because that is the truth, that is the key, that is everything to letting your lace melt. And the thinner your lace, the more realistic it will look. But that elastic band really does go a long way. And you can purchase a roll of elastic band on Amazon. Mine was like $5. I'm not sure for how many feet, how much feet I got, but it's a good amount and it will last you. So definitely on Amazon, get you an elastic band, or you can go to Michael's as well. Unfortunately, guys, some of my footage did get deleted. Well, no, I deleted it myself. And this was basically the result after I finished doing my hair. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells, please. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.